Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Agnicart. Today's video tutorial is going to be about how you can add or remove reviews and ratings from your store. So you can go down to settings and you can see that there is an option called as product reviews, and it will open up into this page. You can see here that there are checkboxes: enable reviews, enable ratings, and auto publish reviews. So if you see, for example, here when you click on a particular product, you can see that there is no option to leave any reviews or any ratings. So when you go to your admin dashboard and you enable reviews and enable ratings and save, here if you refresh, you can see that there is now a rating system and here a product review rating system. Now you can also customize it depending upon who you want to leave reviews or leave ratings. So here there's a drop down which lets you customize accordingly. So either verified owners can review or rate, only registered users can leave reviews or rate, or you can keep it open to public where anyone can review or rate. So this is how you enable and disable product reviews and ratings. So now let's talk about auto publish review. If auto publish review is enabled, then the reviews that are published by the individual on the store will be published automatically. If you disable auto publish review and save it, then you can go here to catalog, go to reviews. Reviews, you can see that any review that has been sent from the store will be shown over here, and you can manually publish the review, edit or delete the review depending upon your preferences. Here if you click edit, you could see what product they've given the review for, their name, their email, their title, the rating and the description. So you can edit it or remove any unnecessary reviews according to preference. If required, you can also add reviews. You can select particular product, you can select your name, write an email, put a title and write a description depending upon your individual's review and save. So this is how you add and edit reviews manually.